Welcome to this session on Smart Development ASP.NET with the AI tools and tutorial. Welcome back to the AI Enhanced ASP.NET series. In this video, we will expand our AI Assistant dashboard with voice and image capabilities using speech recognition, text to speech, and image generation or analysis APIs. By the end of this video, your ASP.NET app will handle voice-based queries and process or create image intelligently, making it a multimodal AI application. We will use Microsoft's Speech SDK for converting speech to text and vice versa, and OpenAI or Azure Cognitive Services for handling image generation or understanding. Our first step is to enable voice input. The backend endpoint accepts an audio file and sends it to the Speech SDK for recognition. Once the AI responds, we convert its text reply back to speech using text to speech so the user can hear the assistant's voice. On the front end, add a voice input button. When clicked, it records the user's voice, sends it to the backend, gets the AI's text reply, and plays the synthesized audio. Next, let us enable image generation. Users can type or say prompt like generate a city skyline at sunset, and the API will return a generated image URL. We can also upload an image for analysis. The AI can describe the content, detect faces, or even classify objects using the Vision API. Here is the full workflow. Voice input becomes text, AI responds, and the response is spoken back. If the user mentions image, the app triggers image generation automatically. With the Signal R, you can stream partial AI responses in real time, improving user experience by showing progress and audio playback once ready. Always secure your API keys. Don't expose them in front-end code. All AI interactions should happen server-side. In our demo, we will ask the AI a question through voice, get a spoken reply, and then generate an image from a creative prompt. You can further enhance this by adding multilingual support, custom voice tones, and image variations, making it production ready. You have successfully transformed your ASP.NET AI app into a multimodal experience with voice and vision. Users can now speak, listen, and see AI in action.